Welcome to Machine Solutions, the channel that takes you deep inside the fascinating world of wood, from the forest to the factory, and from raw nature to finished perfection. Our journey begins where it all starts, deep in the forest. Here, skilled loggers carefully fell towering trees, using precision chainsaws and heavy machinery. Massive timber trucks then take over, transporting these enormous logs through winding forest roads toward the mills. It's a demanding and dangerous job, but it's the first vital step in the story of wood. Once the timber reaches the factory, modern technology takes center stage. We'll witness advanced sawmill systems capable of transforming massive Douglas fir logs into perfectly milled lumber. German precision machines like the Raimann FlexiRip and Dimter C700, along with Australia's Polytec production lines, show how craftsmanship and innovation work hand in hand to create beautiful, sustainable wood products used around the world. Throughout this video, we'll explore the full circle of the wood industry, the harvesting, transportation, and processing that turn raw logs into refined materials ready for construction, furniture, and design. So sit back and enjoy this fascinating journey, a true testament to human skill, modern engineering, and the timeless power of nature. Here, deep within the production line, the story of every wooden beam begins to take shape. What you're looking at is a 60-foot Douglas fir, one of the most prized trees in the timber world. Known for its strength, straight grain, and resilience, the Douglas fir has been the backbone of North American construction for over a century. When a log of this size arrives at the mill, it carries years of history within its rings. The first step is careful inspection. Skilled operators check the wood's moisture, density, and curvature to plan the best cutting path. The goal is simple: minimize waste, maximize yield, and preserve the natural strength of the wood. The log is lifted onto the conveyor. Massive steel rollers guide it into the heart of the sawmill. Sensors measure its diameter and shape in real time. Then, with incredible precision, the primary saws slice through the log. These blades are not ordinary. They're engineered to run at extreme speeds, often over 100 feet per second, producing clean, straight cuts that reveal the beautiful golden grain of the Douglas fir. Every cut is optimized through computer systems that calculate the ideal board sizes. Some pieces will become structural beams, others will be used for flooring, furniture, or decorative veneers. What was once a raw, rugged log is now a collection of perfectly dimensioned timber pieces ready for the next stage. Here, multiple machines work in harmony. Edging saws trim rough sides, planers smooth the surface, and grading scanners evaluate each board's quality. It's a mix of automation and human expertise. Experienced mill workers still play a key role, reading the subtle signs that machines can't fully detect, knots, texture, or color variations that affect how the wood will perform or look in the final product. Freshly cut wood contains a high percentage of water, and without proper drying, it could warp or crack. The kiln drying process carefully removes moisture over several days. Air circulates through the chambers, and temperature is precisely controlled to ensure even drying. The result is stable, strong timber that will hold its shape for decades. Once dried, the boards are planed again for a flawless finish. Their surfaces are silky smooth, ready for further manufacturing or direct sale. The smell inside such mills, the mix of resin, fresh cut wood, and warm air, is unforgettable, a natural perfume that reminds us of forests and craftsmanship. In modern factories like these, waste is nearly zero. Every offcut, chip, or sawdust particle is reused, often as fuel to power the mill itself, or as material for particle board and paper production. Sustainable production isn't just a slogan here, it's an integrated part of the process. Watching this 60-foot Douglas fir go through its transformation is both humbling and fascinating. It's a reminder that behind every wooden beam or table lies an extraordinary journey, from nature's design to human innovation. This level of precision and respect for materials represents the best of what modern wood processing can achieve, balancing efficiency with care and technology with tradition. After the raw lumber is processed, it moves to specialized machines that handle detailed sizing and quality finishing. Among the most trusted names in the world of sawmill technology are Raimann and Dimter, both part of Germany's renowned HOMAG group. The Raimann FlexiRip is an innovative ripping saw designed for flexibility and accuracy. It allows operators to make customized cuts, whether they're working with solid wood panels, boards, or glued timber. Each cut is guided by laser and controlled digitally, ensuring perfect alignment. This flexibility helps small and large manufacturers produce precise components for doors, furniture, or flooring, with minimal waste. Complementing it is the Dimter C700, an automatic crosscut saw known for its speed and reliability. It can cut hundreds of boards per hour, each to an exact programmed length. The system uses advanced scanning to detect imperfections and optimize every cut, turning rough timber into perfectly measured pieces ready for assembly. Together, these German-engineered machines represent the next level of wood processing, where efficiency, precision, and sustainability go hand in hand. They make the transition from raw timber to finished components seamless, setting the stage for what comes next, the creation of high-quality wood products that will last for generations. At this stage, the wood has been milled, sized, and prepared, ready to become something extraordinary. And few companies embody craftsmanship and innovation like Polytec, Australia's leading manufacturer of decorative surfaces and joinery products. Polytec's operation is a marvel of modern production. Inside their factories, robotic systems handle large sheets of laminated board, edging, and veneer panels. Automated conveyors move materials between stages, from cutting and edging to coating and packaging, all synchronized with precision. What sets Polytec apart is their dedication to local manufacturing. Every panel, door, and surface is made in Australia, supporting local jobs and ensuring top-tier quality. They invest heavily in sustainable practices, recycling offcuts, minimizing emissions, and sourcing raw materials responsibly. Their products are widely used in kitchens, offices, and commercial spaces. Behind each piece is a production line that merges advanced technology with elegant design. From CNC routers carving out perfect patterns to laser-edge banders sealing panels with flawless accuracy, Polytec demonstrates how wood-based materials have evolved in the 21st century. While earlier we witnessed the raw processing of Douglas fir and German precision cutting, here we see the culmination of all those efforts. Beautiful, functional materials that will become part of homes and workplaces around the world. It's proof that the wood industry isn't just about heavy machinery, it's about innovation, sustainability, and artistry. Of course, none of this would be possible without the first and most dangerous stage of all: logging. Deep in the forest, skilled workers take on one of the world's toughest jobs, felling giant trees and preparing them for transport. Every movement must be calculated. A chainsaw operator studies the angle, wind direction, and tree lean before making the first cut. It's important to remember, these are trained professionals using specialized tools and safety gear. Logging is not something to imitate. It demands knowledge, experience, and respect for nature. Modern forestry emphasizes sustainability. New trees are planted for everyone harvested, and selective cutting ensures forest ecosystems remain balanced. Logging today is not just about taking from the forest, it's about managing it responsibly for future generations. From the roar of chainsaws to the thunder of falling timber, this is where the wood's journey truly begins. The point where raw nature starts its transformation into materials that shape our world. Once the trees are cut and prepared, it's time to move them to the mills. That's where the Renault Kerax 440 DXi comes in. A powerhouse of transport engineering built to handle extreme loads and rugged terrain. These trucks are designed specifically for timber hauling, equipped with reinforced frames, powerful diesel engines, and hydraulic cranes for loading. They can carry dozens of tons of logs across rough forest roads and mountain passes. Drivers in this line of work are as skilled as the machines themselves. Maneuvering a fully loaded Kerax through narrow forest tracks requires precision, patience, and years of experience. Each delivery connects the forest with the factory, bringing freshly harvested logs to the mills where the process of transformation continues. It's the unseen link in the chain, the bridge between nature's raw gift and human craftsmanship. Without these trucks and the hard-working drivers behind them, the entire wood production ecosystem would come to a halt. And that brings our journey full circle, from the forest to the factory, from towering Douglas firs to polished wood panels ready to shape the spaces we live in. If you enjoyed this exploration of craftsmanship, technology, and nature's beauty, be sure to subscribe to Machine Solutions for more fascinating insights into modern machinery and industrial innovation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep discovering the power of human ingenuity.